Welcome for tuning and being interested to the maintenance, smart manufacturing in maintenance engineering. We call it highly a smart maintenance in manufacturing, in process manufacturing. Why do we call it a smart maintenance in process manufacturing? As we can be aware of the COVID-19, that the COVID-19 it has caused the world on a highly economical crisis. However, there are certain sectors and certain industry that are highly in demand, in which we can highlight. We have the food industry, the pharmaceutical industry, the packaging industry, and more that are fully based on manufacturing. And when we talk about manufacturing, in terms of an engineering concept, we're looking at a process, and this process it's done through a combination of several machines that needs to communicate in series in one another from the starting point to the end of the line. We call it the production line. However, this machine cannot work for many hours without expecting a failure. Just like a human being need to work and will require certain rest and certain maintenance to be carried in terms of food and so on. The maintenance of this equipment also require a certain methodology. I would like to introduce myself in this beginning to say that I have been working for the maintenance engineering for a very long time. And throughout the experience and the theoretical understanding, I've developed a certain technique and methodology that I would like to share with you in this program. First of all, I lecture at the University of Technology in process automation and instrumentation. Furthermore, I lecture at the TVET College, where we have to learn, we have to teach and run the project in terms of fitter and turner, millwright, electrical, welders, and tool making. All these skills and trade that are involved engineering contribute highly in the maintenance team. That's why you see most of the maintenance team it's combined from all these several skills. You can have all these skills, but when it comes to maintenance, troubleshooting, root cause analysis, it requires a analytical thinking, so that you can solve the problem in the best way possible and to minimize the downtime. I'm going to share with you right here a certain material that we're going to be using in this program. Troubleshooting maintenance engineering in process manufacturing. In this, we're going to develop more on the general troubleshooting guideline, where we're going to go on a technique and tactic, and what are the certain diagrams we have to go through to make sure that your troubleshooting does not take so much long, because the production is depending on you. So as much analytical method you can use, it's the most effective in this program. We're going to go also on the monitoring equipment, how to have a very a scheduled way to monitor the equipment. We're going to go on the 7 steps for troubleshooting that will make sure that you do not waste more time during the downtime. And there's a couple of them that we're going to also go more deep in terms of cleaning and checking. We're gonna go more in terms of what to look in terms of the gearbox, the critical element within the production line, the temperature, and so on. All this will be discussed in this program. We're going to also talk about what we look at in terms of explaining the purpose of predictive and preventive maintenance, and how to avoid a root analysis within a breakdown. So you're going to have a scheduled maintenance, and breakdown has to be avoided at a certain methodology. So all in this program, we're going to talk about it. You're going to have the video, you're going to have a certain guideline. You're also going to have a assignment in terms of question and answer, where you're going to be asked true or false according to your understanding of what we're going to go through. You're going to have certain practical theory that is going to be assigned to you, how to actually understand to replace the oil, the grease, the quantity, the V-belt, general inspection, the torque setting. So all this will be provided within this program. Once again, I thank you. This is a very exciting program because we have done it for hundreds of private companies before the lockdown. Now with the COVID-19, we realize that this is an opportunity that knowledge can be conveyed in a global point of view through the internet. So we're moving to this technique, and I'm highly asking you to look forward to this program. These people that we're looking that can be part of this program, people that work within the maintenance team, people that work in machine building, people that work in process manufacturing, people that work in plant, in brewery, in pharmaceutical, packaging, food industry. This is a key that will allow you to minimize in a very critical way downtime and have a very strong predictive maintenance team. Once again, I thank you to be watching this. I look forward for seeing you to other platform of LinkedIn and more other platform. This course is going to be released. Once again, stay safe, stay home, and I hope God bless us and protect us within this crucial time of the COVID-19. Looking forward for seeing you.